What if making a clean, professional deck didn't require stress, a lot of hours, or even design skills? I found that out the hard way. First, I created an educational deck manually, dragging elements around, fixing spacing, rewriting slides, and trying way too hard to make everything look consistent. It took time, energy, and a lot of patience. Then I built the exact same deck using Gamma's prompt guide, and the difference was wild. The speed, the design consistency, the data back structure, it all came together in minutes instead of hours. So now I'm going to make some slides, okay, with Google Slides. Okay, it's going to be about geology. If you're a teacher or a student, you know about this slides, right? And I'm making them right now. Top 10 geology facts about rocks, okay? Come on. We have to try to take a subject that might not be very, very exciting and make it excited through the slides and informative. So I'm highlighting the colors so you can see it pop. You have to do that with these slides. You have to make sure it's readable, right? So I'm taking all this information from a PDF and I'm putting it into the slides. I have to do this. If you're a teacher, you're doing this. If you're a student, you know you have to have slides for some projects, right? We're putting all the colors in. We have to bold the letters so they can pop against the color of the rocks. And it's not very, very readable. It takes forever to do this. And you know it does because we all have done this. I've done this. You have done this. If you haven't, you will be doing this. And it just takes forever. You have to try to make sure the picture looks nice. Look, the words are bold. Now you can't even see the picture. And it's just, you have to put in each slide one at a time, right? Look at this. And then you have to bold the information, and they almost beginning to look alike. Look at the style, look at the pattern. They're almost all the same. It's just words going down the slide, and you bold the title. There's no real graphics or graphs that you can really put on this. I mean, there are some, but it's very little. And look, the pictures behind the words, and you have to sometimes darken the words just so it can pop. But right now, I can't really even read the words. But these are the slides we always give in. These are the slides we use to teach to our students. These are the slides that students use for assignments. And here you go. And that was one way. Okay, so now I'm on Gamma. I'm on their website, and I'm going to create a new new AI. Okay, you see it? I'm going to go to import file or URL, and we're going to make slides also. Upload a file. I'm uploading to my PDF. The slides you just seen. I'm going to upload the information, the PDF information. You could also upload the slides if you like. You have options or website, but I'm going to upload the information so it can create a slideshow for me. Okay, so I have choices with this one. I have a lot more choices with colors, dark, light, professional, colorful slides. I can do different backgrounds. So this is a little different from the other slide presentation I just showed you for school, right? This is another way of doing it. And this is the way I do it now. I'm so excited. I am the biggest Gamma fan there is. Okay. And I use it for everything. And here we go. I picked peach. And now I'm going with the color peach with the same information, the same facts. Okay. And that is the visual, that is the theme. I had to add some additional information, instructions. I want it to be very dynamic for a middle school student. And I want readable images, readable words and images that are interesting, okay? This is just some facts. Whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness. Did you see how fast It created, I'm telling you, did you just see that? Now, I know the other slideshow, I probably bored some people. I was trying to go as fast as I could, putting each one together. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And I can embed different information. I can switch out slides. I could change information without affecting all the slides. Look at this. I'm going to embed some social media. I'm going to embed a TikTok video about rocks. Look how easy that was. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look how it was so easy to embed that information from a TikTok video. So let's say you have some information, additional information you want to put in, and you have it from on social media, embed it into your slide. And now you have a presentation, a slideshow presentation that no one else would have. Look at this. Now let's do some more things that we can do. Let's go to, now you see it? Okay. Look at this. I love that. That's good, right? Now with just that alone, you're like, oh, that's perfect. That's an A. Now we're going to take it up. We're going to take it up a notch, okay? Let's see what else we can do. We're going in. Is there anything else I can do to enhance Gamma? Okay, so I'm going to the agent to ask, is there anything else I can do? I prompted, is there anything else I can do with the slides? Oh, they said, yes, there is. You can do some interactive diagrams. You can upgrade the video backgrounds, animation, key images, enhance with motion. So let's enhance with some motion graphics, okay? So now they're about to enhance some of these photos. Look what it's going to do. It's going to show the volcano peak. It's going to show some lighting, some shading. Look at the volcano moving. Look at the lava. Move it. Look at this. Look at the, oh my goodness, so much going on and I love it. Look at the shadows on the rocks. Do you see that volcano? You see the lava? You see it moving? Okay, thank you. It's like taking your slides to life. It's like bringing them to life right now. Okay, we're not done. You can also come up with new things onto your slides. You can do new images. You can add stats. You can do star ratings. You can add graphs. You can do a whole chart. We're going to do a timeline right now. We're going to embed this. We're going to add this to a slide, a timeline about rocks. Okay. So now they have different suggested layouts. Okay. We're going to do it smart layouts. Look at the different layouts. Okay. So now this will be a timeline. And I'm going to put in the timeline, show one rock changes into another type of rock over time. Let's see what you can do, Gamma. All right, this is the agent. Whoa. Okay. No, that's hot. I love how each timeline. Look how I go, and each box is larger. That's fantastic. Can you add images to make it more visually appealing? More interesting. Let's see. Wow. Okay. That was really awesome. Okay, let's see. I want one more thing. I want to be able to add one more thing to this. Circle. I want to do a circle stat. It did it for me. Can you fill this circle stat with info? Look at this. Look at it. It's going to do all about the rocks for me. Look at this. It's going to do it for me. Boom. Look at this. 75% covers the Earth's surface. The fossils, 90%. Over millions of years it took to form. Look at this. You see? And you could just keep adding slides and slides, and you could just keep, and I'm the type of person, I'll keep going on and on. So if you see my slideshow, it's going to be about 20, 30 slides. It just, because you want to do this. It's enjoyable. It's fun. It's interesting. Look at this. Look at the man walking now. Look at the man. See how everything is just moving? Look at this. The road. I added a whole road map. Look at this. Wow. And you could just keep adding slides to this slideshow, and you will have the most interesting slideshow there is, because every time I do a presentation for a company, a business, or for a class, I have the best slideshow. And everybody's asking me, how did you do it? How did you do it? Gamma, gamma. Look at this. Look how the lava is moving. Look at this. Look at the timeline. Look at this. Look at the shadow going across the rocks. Look at the stats. Look at this. Look how even that rock is moving. Look at this. The continental versus the ocean floor. Look at the man walking now. He wasn't walking before. Now he's actually walking on the desert. Marble, limestone. Look how the beautiful information. Look at the road. They call that the road, like a road map. Look at the quartz. It's moving. Wow. I love this. Look at the coal. And look at this. That's like glass, volcano glass. All the facts. That was amazing. And if you use Gamma to make your slideshow, you're a teacher, you're a business owner, or you're a person, you're a student, or you're a person who does shows or has to do presentations to raise money, or to whatever you might do your presentation for. I do a lot of slideshows for companies, and I use Gamma in the audience. They're usually, because I make it a performance. It's not just a slideshow, it's a presentation with Gamma. So you see the difference? You see what I'm talking about? Oh my goodness. We're not doing this anymore. This is old school, okay? This is 2026, okay? New school. This is how you're supposed to do it, okay? This is it right here. Make it happen, right? Okay, so if you're tired of designing from scratch like I did, use my link down below and let Gamma turn your ideas into clean, finished decks instantly. I promise you'll thank me later. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Gamma. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.